in order to continue with this oral presentation, I'm going to talk about the research question and the objective. It is important to mention that the research question gives direction to the research project through the execution of proposed objective. So for that reason, it is really important to be specific related to the research questions. And we have only one Grand Tour question, and it alludes to the way that this process of teacher's identity construction is influenced by the classroom practicum. This question is the central focus of this investigation. So, but it is also important to say that the purpose of this Grand Tour question is to accomplish the main objective of this study, and this objective is to identify the influence of classroom practicum during pre-service teacher practices in process of teacher's identity construction. Related to the sub-questions, we have three. The first one, it is about the reason related to the relationship between the identity construction and the classroom practicum. Why the classroom practicum is considered the correct space to build the identity construction in pre-service teachers. The second sub-questions talk about the professional perspective and the aspect that could influence the change of it during the classroom practicum. The third sub-questions is about the social, cultural, and economic environment, and how the teacher practicum process is affected by these issues. Related to the specific objective, we have three. The first one is to examine how practice environment intervene in the construction of identity. So, with this objective, we try to explain how the construction of identity is affected by the environment around the students. The second specific objective is about to identify the aspect that influence the change of professional perspective of trained teachers. And the third one is to assess the effects that cultural, economic, and social environment have on pre-service teacher practicum. So it is obvious that the objective and research question have a connection, which allows the execution of this study.